G'day folks, welcome back to Pete's Investing. This is a Bitcoin technical analysis, plus we're also including some macroeconomic viewpoints. So stay tuned to the end of the video for that summary. So what I've got first off is the weekly, daily and hourly charts. So I'll just drill down to each of these. So first off on the weekly, you can see our CCI 400, which is our trend indicator, is showing a bullish momentum. The CCI 150, our divergence indicator, is trending in line with the price action. There was a couple of bearish divergence back here historically, back in 2021, and you can see there both of those fell off according to the bearish divergence. On the daily, we're also in a somewhat sideways movement, or slightly bullish but sideways movement on the CCI 400 trend indicator. On the CCI 150, our divergence indicator, you can see there the CCI is making lower highs versus higher highs on the price. So that's a bit stubborn in terms of the price movement if you're expecting it to break to the downside. But at the moment, this divergence is still in play, and I've adjusted the Fibonacci so you can see there from that low to that high. We're expecting at the very least to break to the downside and hit the 23 to the 38% level of that Fibonacci range. Now, if it breaks below that and through that, the next key level is going to be the 61% Fibonacci level down here, and if it breaks below that, we're going to see a much more bearish outlook. And again, that's on the daily. On the hourly, likewise, we've got a bearish divergence on the CCI 150. It's also bearish on the CCI 400, although that's probably less so significant because it does have a lot more ups and downs on the CCI 400. The main thing to look out for here is the CCI 150 breaking with lower highs versus higher highs on the price. And again, we're expecting it to break to the downside. You can see there where those little rectangles are. That's where those little divergences have worked previously. And over 90% of the time, these do work out. So for this divergence to work on the hourly, on the daily, for that to fail, we need to see the CCI break higher than those previous highs, in which case we'll see higher highs as well on the price. But at the moment, it looks like it's declining fairly substantially on the CCI 150. We'll keep a close eye on that and see how far it does go before it starts breaking to the downside. As I said, for at least a very minor pullback. So for those interested, I've got some economic viewpoints in terms of where Bitcoin and crypto is going, potentially. So obviously the factors to include are inflation, which is a potential hedge against inflation due to fixed supply, interest rates. If I'm going too fast, please just pause the video and have a read yourself. Geopolitical tensions, regulatory landscape, and institutional adoption. So we're getting more hedge funds adopting the cryptocurrency market. Also, in terms of market dynamics, look at volatility, growing demand and adoption of Bitcoins, and also the technological advancement in various areas from that side of it, and as well as the market correlation with price movements. So again, just be mindful of those bearish divergence we've identified, and consider any macroeconomic viewpoints as you potentially want to invest in Bitcoin. If you got value out of the video, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.